Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know. In today's video, we will be doing some beautiful butterfly locks. This is my client. She formerly had an undercut, which she is now growing out. The products I will be using is Hydrating Buttercream by the Gold series. I have a little hair grease. I have Shining Gem, and I also have the Shining Gem setting mousse to set her hair when we are finished. I will be using rubber bands for where her hair is shorter. This is the hair we are using. This is Ruwa Water Wave. It's 24 inches and it is pre-stretched. It's in the color 2. In total, we will use 3 packs of these. This is the Hair Easel by Linda Marie. This is how I separate my hair, and I do 2 pieces of hair per lock. Alright, so I'm going in with that buttercream to moisturize her hair and add a bit of softness to it. For parting, I chose to go with free parts. Free parts pretty much just help you to save yourself a lot of time, being that we will be doing a lock style. Free parts pretty much are like half moon shapes or circular or oval shapes that aren't exactly consistent in size, but at the same time they are still neat. As you can see, I'm just cleaning up those parts with my rat tail comb and using that Shining Gem to just smooth down the hair. Taking one of my rubber bands, I'm going to secure this part, and I'm not going to wrap the rubber band around too many times because you want to be careful with adding too much tension to your client's hair. On the longer parts of her hair, I'm just going in with a braid. You can go in and add some braiding hair, however, this will also add to how long it's going to take for you to complete this style. After braiding it all down, I did take a rubber band and add it towards the end just so it wouldn't come loose on me as I continued the rest of her hair. This is how her complete breakdown looks, and now we're going to get ready to add in our hair extensions to complete our butterfly locks. Alright, so taking one of those pieces of the water wave hair, I'm going to use my crochet needle and crochet it through the base of this section. Like I told you before, I'm going to use 2 pieces, so I'm going to also crochet the next piece in the base as well. I don't do both of them at the same time so that it doesn't hurt when you pull it through the hair. Okay, now I'm getting ready to start my wrapping process. In my right hand, I have the client's hair and half of the water wave hair. In the left hand, I have the other half of the water wave hair. While still holding the client's hair and the water wave hair in my right hand, I'm also using the thumb to smooth over the hair that I throw over from the left. To create the butterfly effect, you place your thumb into a small piece of the hair from the left and leave it over your thumb as you continue wrapping. I remove my thumb and continue to wrap downwards. It's always okay to take that little piece and move it out of the way so that you can wrap without wrapping over top of it. This is the same process you would do throughout the whole lock. You wrap a little ways and then create your butterfly effect with your thumb and then wrap some more. The more times you use your thumb to create the butterfly pieces, the messier or fluffier you create your lock. Vice versa, the less times you create the butterfly effect, then the straighter your lock will look. Right here, I had to add more hair to create the length that we wanted for the locks. The wrapping process remains the same. You keep one side in the right and one side in the left and continue wrapping as you work. After reaching the desired length, I'm going to take that hair and wrap back up the lock. This is how we are going to start securing the lock. And as I'm going back up, I am still creating the butterfly effects because some of the hair just may wrap over the previous butterflies that we already had. So I want to make sure that I still have the butterfly look throughout the whole lock. Alright, so I know you may be wondering, what am I going to do with the remainder that is hanging down? I'm also going to use that. I'm going to take that and separate it into little pieces and wrap back up the lock as well. Like I told you before, this is what is helping us secure the lock. Other people like to do things like use nail glue or hair glue or even burn the hair, but I find that doing it like this is much easier for me. This is how you get the hair to work for you without having to go purchase glue or need a lighter to burn the ends. And also, when you are burning it, that makes the hair stick to each other way more than it already is going to stick to each other. So let's not do that. You can also tie knots at the end just like this as well. That works just fine. This is what the finished lock looks like, and you can also take the ends of the lock and roll it into your palms to ensure that it all is matted up within itself. Y'all will see me do it at the end of this lock. I believe I just cut it out in that first one. What I love the most about butterfly locks is the fact that there is no right or wrong. Like, you're purposely creating a messy lock, and that is the beauty of it. And as far as how messy you want it, that is up to you, but there's really no going wrong here. If you want less butterflies in your lock, that's your business. If you want butterflies all the way down your lock, that's your business too. No matter what way it is, it all looks beautiful. So here I am rolling the lock into my hand, and this is how you just make sure it all just wraps up around itself to not come loose. Alright, for the rest of this video, I'll pretty much be popping in and out to say a couple things to you all about the look or just something in general about the channel. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and definitely let me know in the comment section what styles you would like to see me do on other people or even on myself, because I'm still open to that as well. If you ever decide to book a service with me and you would like for me to record it and put it on YouTube, definitely let me know whenever you book your service. Check out the description box below. I'll make sure I insert my booking site and all the information that you might need to do this lock style that I created. Like I said before, comment down below any questions, or even if you just want to leave a, hey girl, this looks good, keep it up. You know, I love seeing any positive comments or positive motivation or even constructive criticism. Give it all to me, y'all. I read all of it and I respond. Alright, so I'm really going to shut up this time and just let y'all watch the video. Here we are at the end. We're taking the shining gel mousse, laying everything down, setting everything in place, and also giving the client a very cooling sensation to their scalp. A lot of people like it, some people hate it, but this is how you know you are at the end of your service, when they go to putting that mousse on it. These locks turned out so beautiful, y'all. I cannot stress that enough. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Always remember to be beautiful and stay blessed. I love y'all.